So it's past 3 p.m. and I'm still in school, and I'm supposed to go to the market later today. I'm exhausted. See how my face is red. It just shows how exhausted I am. I have a cake to bake, so I have to go to the market, and hopefully I'm able to carry you all along. But after this whole class of it, I'll first of all go home and eat better, swallow, then we'll go to the market. So I just said let me carry you all along. I hope you enjoy watching, and let's dive right into the video, or let's continue. Let me just take you all along. For which one? Simmers. 250. No, neither me. David and Simmers. Give us 4. And I go sleep for her. Icy sugar, what size do you have? 1 kg. What of the 500 gram? 4? 450, 400. Okay, give me the 1 kg. 1 kg. Please say it's the rating. Okay. What else? Sugar, 400. Abi, how do you measure sugar? You say? Leave there. Just give us 400 naira sugar. Say hi. I'm not hearing you. Hi. Hi. Sugar. Mama Bruba, say hi. Hi. My face. Hold it, let me see. Show it to me. What does it say? Happy birthday. They are so fine. Yeah, let's go. Hi, what? Hi. She from the room. It's not hi, baby. Hi, lover something. Hi, lover something.
3 days later.
So, guys, it's days later, and I just want to show you all what I got for the cake. The things I'll be using for the cake. First of all, I have egg here. Egg is very expensive now. Really expensive. A crate of egg here is 1,800 now. I was supposed to buy half crate, but since it's that expensive, I just bought 10 eggs. I also have this happy birthday cake topper that you just put on top of the cake. I have 1 kg of icing sugar. I got 4 margarine because it's butter icing. Then sugar. This strawberry chocolate, because I want to do, it's gonna be a drip cake, you'll see it. Then this is just to wrap the cake after making it. I have flavor, then colors, different colors, and then baking powder, nutmeg, and then the flour that I'll be using. So that's all I have here, and I think I'll just start. Let's get going. Let's bake a cake.
One hour later. Meanwhile.
This is my banana and vanilla flavor. So to achieve this particular color, I just added lemon food coloring, just a pinch of it, into my mixture and then mixed it thoroughly, and I got this color. This other color was supposed to be pink, but I don't know why. The pink color, I think it was a fake color, so that's why it did not really come out well. But I just had to use it like that since I had already mixed it. at my oven. I know it's just stone that I put inside a big pot, but it does the trick. So what I did here is simple. I just added yellow powder color, that's food coloring, and I mixed it till I got the consistency I desired, because I wanted to use yellow color. And this mixture you are seeing is just a mixture of butter, whisked butter, and icing sugar, and then the color.
Much later.
Alright guys, so this is the outcome. It was not easy because someone helping me made a little mistake by putting too much water in the icing sugar, so it was not easy to work with. But this is the outcome. It's not a tutorial video, it's just a bake with me. If you need a full tutorial, please just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. But for now, bye.